Hi, I'm Diana, and we were given the Aiper Surfer S2 in return for this video. I don't need this thing anymore because we have this little guy and he's doing a great job. Let's go over some of the features. This unit is designed for all pool types above and below ground, and best of all, it offers 24/7 cleaning, so your pool looks great all the time. Now, whether it's fine particles or large leaves, the skimmer picks up both with ease, making pool maintenance a breeze. One of the coolest features is its dual charging modes. You can plug it in initially to charge it, but once it's in the pool, the solar panel here on top will keep it continuously charged, even when it's running. And if there's no sun, don't worry. The battery is designed to run up to 35 hours without sun. Now, for those of you with shallow steps, you're going to love this. The anti-stranding columns will adjust up to 2 inches to make sure the surfer doesn't get stuck on shallow steps or ledges. Another nice feature is you can put a chlorine tablet in this little compartment inside the filter box. To start the unit, hold down the power button for 2 seconds until you see all green lights and then put the unit in the water. The propellers will push the unit forward while the leak-proof impeller will pull in debris from the surface. Now, there are 2 sensors on the front of the unit that will keep it from bumping into the walls all the time. Now, if you find that the surfer is getting stuck in the skimmer area, just place a short pool noodle in the skimmer opening to guide it around that area. Always remember to check the basket before you use the unit. Sometimes they place the pool noodle inside there and the unit will not run if that is the case. Now let's take a moment to watch the surfer in action. If you find you want more control of the surfer, you can download the app to manually guide it around your pool, and it's super easy to steer, and it's actually quite fun. They recommend emptying the collection basket every 2 to 3 days, and as you can see, the unit picked up all kinds of debris, big and small. And it's simple to empty and super easy to spray out. We don't have nearly the amount of debris in the filter basket and in our filter system. So a lot less maintenance and our filters last a lot longer. What an amazing difference this unit makes to keep our pool looking great all the time. It used to be quite a chore having to skim it, but now we just set it and forget it and the pool looks amazing. You definitely want to check this out.